In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give your photos a stunning vintage effect using CapCut, a fantastic editing tool known for its versatile range of features. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned editor, transforming your pictures to have that nostalgic, old-timey look can be done quickly and easily. So, let's dive right in and start creating those captivating vintage vibes. First, you'll need to import your photo into the CapCut app. This is your starting point, where all the magic happens. Simply open CapCut, find your photo file on your device, and import it into your project. Once your photo is in place on the timeline, you're ready to start editing. Next, head over to the Effects tab. CapCut offers a wide array of effects to transform the mood of your photo, but today, we're focusing on a vintage look. In the search bar, type in keywords like retro, sepia, or vintage to find effects that mimic the feel of an old photograph. These effects are designed to give your photo an aged, classic look, reminiscent of eras gone by. Once you've found an effect that appeals to you, it's time to apply it to your photo. Drag the effect from the list directly onto your photo in the timeline. You'll immediately notice a transformation as the effect is applied, giving your photo that beautiful, nostalgic appearance. To enhance this vintage effect even further, add a grain overlay or scratches, which you can find in the Overlay or Elements tab. These subtle touches can mimic the wear and tear that older photographs naturally acquire over time, enhancing the authenticity of your retro look. Experiment with different overlays until you find one that complements your photo perfectly. The final step involves fine-tuning the overall look by adjusting a few essential settings. Focus on opacity, contrast, and temperature, which you can tweak for an even more faded look. Lowering the opacity can soften the intensity of the retro effect, giving your photo a gentle, aged feel. Adjust the contrast to balance the dark and light areas, enhancing the vintage appeal, and play with the temperature to give your photo a warmer or cooler tint, depending on the desired mood. And there you have it. Your photo now looks like it stepped straight out of the past, all thanks to CapCut. By following these steps, you've successfully transformed a modern image into something that feels nostalgic and timeless. Remember, experimenting with these effects and settings can lead to unique results, so don't hesitate to adjust them according to your personal style or the story you want your photo to tell. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.